Imagine that. Wind stops blowing forever. Let's play with a terrifyingly still thought. What if wind stopped forever? No breeze, no gusts, no gentle whispers across the wheat fields, just atmospheric silence. And spoiler, the consequences are far louder than the absence. Why wind happens at all? Wind is Earth's way of redistributing heat and pressure. Here's the chain. Sun heats Earth unevenly. Equator gets toasty, poles stay chilly, warm air rises, cold air sinks. This sets off a global circulation system like nature's HVAC unit. Mix in Earth's rotation, terrain, oceans, and voila, trade winds, jet streams, monsoons. No wind means you just pulled the plug on this entire system. Imagine a fan-powered room where someone breaks the fan and locks the windows. Atmospheric stagnation. Not a vibe. Without wind, weather gets lazy. No storm fronts, no pressure movement, no rain in places that depend on carried moisture. Welcome to permanent drought in Africa, stagnant air in India, and flash floods in coastlines with no outlet. Jet streams, gone. Your local forecast would be, today's weather is exactly like yesterday's, except a bit worse. Humans love stability, but ecosystems, they run on fluctuation. Plants, CO2, and the great gasp without wind. CO2 lingers in one spot. O2 doesn't circulate. Pollination, it crashes. Many plants, like grasses and gymnosperms, rely on wind to reproduce. No wind equal to botanical celibacy. Even forests that don't need wind pollination need wind for gas exchange. So do oceans. Without wind churning surface water, the oxygen level in marine ecosystems nosedives. Fish start suffocating, phytoplankton crash, and plankton dying is code red because they produce up to 70% of Earth's oxygen. Suddenly, breathing becomes a premium subscription. Aviation gliding into extinction. Without wind, flight becomes the world's slowest brick festival. Wind isn't just turbulence, it's lift. Birds can't soar. Paragliders become very confident jumpers. Planes need more fuel to generate lift artificially. No jet streams, that's 20–30% more fuel usage for international flights. And without cargo planes, enjoy your Amazon orders arriving on horseback. Energy grid crisis, turbines are toast. Wind turbines stop spinning. That's 6–20% of the world's energy, depending on where you live. In Germany, Denmark, and Texas, the grid takes a nosedive. Sure, we've got solar, but without wind, weather gets cloudy and stale. Solar relies on dynamic sky conditions, so even the sun throws shade on your plans. No wind equal to fossil fuel relapse. Insect and animal collapse, pollinators crash. Without wind, migratory birds get lost. Some species use wind scent trails to hunt or mate. Without these, you're looking at declines in insects, mammals, and birds. And then, spiders. Some spiders use a method called ballooning, where they throw silk into the wind and fly off. Without wind, they're just dangling awkwardly from fences like tiny depressed skydivers. Air quality apocalypse, wind disperses pollution. Without it, cities choke. Think permanent Beijing in a blender. Particulate matter, PM 2.5, gets trapped in urban bowls. Respiratory diseases skyrocket. Asthma becomes as common as coffee. And ironically, you could have sunny skies and still suffocate. It's just wind, until it isn't. We think of wind as annoying. It ruins hair, it messes up umbrellas, it howls at night. But without it, Earth stops functioning. It's not background noise. It's the planet's circulatory system, its respiratory system, and its mood ring, all in one. So next time you curse the breeze, remember, it's saving your life, just by blowing through your windows. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe to our channel, MindTales Media.